Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm a dean of students, and we're having terrible problems with tardiness. Detentions make no difference. I'm trying to think outside the box. Any ideas about how to combat habitual tardiness? Oh, yes. I don't know when it happened, but somewhere along the line, we didn't put a value on being on time. And I think we kind of lowered the bar a little bit. I think we need to start paying attention to being on time. Like if you are 30 seconds late from my class, we're going to have a conversation about it. Being on time, we know, is one of the most powerful, successful things in a person's life. And even though we as humans have invented time, and we're always calling time out, and we just, are tired because we don't have time, time is important. And so the only way you might be able to move the bar on this one is to get your entire staff to be on the same page when it comes to on time for class, on time with an assignment. I don't take late assignments. You see what I'm going here? Get that to be the theme of your entire school. We're all going to be in those hallways every time the bell rings. All of the adults, as many as I can get out there every single time. And we're going to start saying to kids, be on time, be on time, be on time, and coach them and usher them in. We're going to be outside when that bell rings in a high school so that they come in those doors on time. We are going to make time a priority and be all on the same page. Because if you, the dean of students, are the only one trying to hold kids accountable for being on time, it's not going to work as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.